So once upon a time, my fiance decided that he was going to show up hours before we go to Bantam with my YJ. Meet my YJ. So this is what I found when I walked outside. And needless to say, I was slightly disappointed, but nonetheless excited. It was a lot more work than I really wanted to take on. So as you can see here, I have recently started my project. This has been the last month and a half everything that I have done, from new floor pans to welding in floor pans and learning how to fabricate, which I am not the best fabricator at all. My fiance had to do a lot of the work because I was completely unsure. I kept getting frustrated, I kept beating myself down, and my fiance taught me a lot. Now, you could tell definitely which welds are mine or which welds are his, because I am not good at welding. Nonetheless, I've put in a lot of time, I've put in a lot of effort. I have rhino lined the inside. I have painted my bars, as you can see here. They are going to be metallic blue, and the body is going to be denim jean blue, which is pretty much a flat blue of the metallic blue. All my supplies and everything you can see as I slowly go through my crappy caulking job and where I'm currently at now. Enjoy!